Hello, welcome to the Woodworking show IWF here in Atlanta. We welcome you on our booth, on Gannomat booth. We are showing many machines here. Looking forward to meet you at our booth to discuss your needs, we satisfy your needs. And let's go for a round. We are showing here an industry machine for drilling, gluing and dowel inserting. The name is Spectrum 50, which is an industry machine which is making 20 pieces in a minute. On the left hand we have our drill, glue and dowel inserting machine, Index 130 Logic, the most popular sales machine in America for dowel inserting. Also over there, to have enough machinery, we have twice here, showing also drill, glue and dowel inserting. We are standing in front of our Index Pro with a 2.8 meter frame, 5 spindle horizontal, 5 vertical, 3 inserting stations for very high speed and accuracy, drill, glue and dowel inserting. Now we are standing in front of our case clamp Concept 70 Easy, which is our starting model for case clamping. Behind we will see our most popular sale Concept 70 Eco with optional pre-assembly table, air chest system in the working area, belt-driven system behind for unloading to increase your productivity in clamping. We are showing here our model Selecta, which is glue and dowel inserting machine. It saves you time, it saves you accuracy with glue and dowel inserting. In 1 second you have both done in your horizontal part. We also additionally having here our jumper, which is a pre-assembly table, an assembly table for building kitchens. What you need as well is the face hole gluing. We're having done here with our Gannomat injector. You set the glue amount, no cleaning at the workpiece needed. You have the right amount to fix your boxes before they go to the case clamps, which is having here. First time with Aiken's machinery, we show our through-feed drill, groove and routing machine, Gannomat ProTech. A compact CNC machining center for all your stuff what you need on your workpieces for kitchens and boxes. It's a small footprint with 3.3 square meters. We have 3 tool changers. We have a big drill head with 23 spindles with 0 setup times from the smallest to the bigger panels. It's a right machine for the small shops or next to a big CNC. We are standing in front of the Express S2 CNC, which is a CNC controlled hinge inserter for drilling and inserting of the hinges. Here we are standing in front of a demonstration of Express S2, which is the most popular sale in America for drilling and inserting of hinges, half automatic way. As you see, we are doing live demos at the show. Visit us, we will do what we can to satisfy your needs. Here we come up about the manual machinery. We have here a double line drilling machine. Name is ProLine 50. The left hand we have a dowel construction boring machine. The inventor of dowel construction boring machine is Gannomat, and you see here Gannomat TB21, the actual model for dowel construction, line drilling, frame drilling, hinge drilling, 45 degree, all you need on the cabinet, universal doweling machine from Gannomat. If you want to have line drilling more CNC control, we also have a solution for that. We are standing in front of the Vintage 152, it means 152 spindles in 2 rows where we make line drilling as fast as possible to fix your site. Here we are showing Gannomat Elite 25 spindles, 8 inserters, cycle time of 5 seconds, every workpiece is drilled, glued and doweled. A manual machine, no computer, easy to use, highest precision, as you know from Gannomat. This is company Gannomat in Austria, where we produce all the machineries. We are here located in Tyrol, maybe you heard about it. Come and see our booth, we explain you our philosophy of the company, produce the best quality of woodworking machinery since 1956.